Alright, what's up, everybody? Welcome to a movie lot unboxing. The first thing is Wedding Crashers with Owen Wilson and Vince Vaughn in it. Um, this is from, what the hell is this from? 2000 what? 2000 what? Huh? Um, hmm. 2005 probably, and from New Line Cinema Entertainment. So here we go. Fucking bitch. Here we go. Jesus Christ. Come on, you big fucker. Dumbass. Anyway, here we go. Woo, great. Nice. Okay. The next one is gonna be one of my mom's Christmas presents. Karina. This is from 1999, actually 1994, and New Line Home Video. It has Whoopi Goldberg in it. Yeah, Whoopi. Yeah. Stickers up the ass. Tells you all about it. Whatever. Where'd that sticker go? Squander my fucking shit. I think it might have. Anyway, and and here we go. There it is. Yeah. And last but not least, Hotel Rwanda. I watched this in summer school one year. This is from 2004 and MGM Entertainment. So there we go. Really sad movie, actually, but also really good. And there it is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you in the next video.